So here's your example. So again, with chronic bronchitis, again, the issue is not the inflammation itself. The inflammation is a byproduct of your little mucous membrane just pumping. So, but it's the actual mucus itself. That's your emphysema, so that shows that your walls broke down. And when your walls break down, man, you know, what happens to the alveoli itself when the walls break down?
Oh, all the way down?
Yeah, what happens?
Oh, it turns into like a raisin.
Exactly, shrivels down, right? And then, Adrian, because of the shrivel down of the alveoli, why is that a problem?
There's not enough surface area for gases.
Awesome, good. And that's that's all COPD is these two. And if they have asthma, they just throw it in the bucket. So that's COPD too. But if somebody has asthma by itself, it's not COPD. So if somebody has asthma and chronic bronchitis but doesn't have emphysema, they're not considered to have COPD. They have to have these two at a minimum. Here's your verbiage for emphysema. We talked about what it was, but if you want to get the actual verbiage down, go ahead and write this stuff down or type it down. I'll give you guys a minute for that. And this is the reason they can benefit from the CPAP. The emphysema part of it.
When they have COPD, that's when they might cough up blood too.
No.
They would not cough up blood.
That's your CHF pressure. So and it's not even blood. So someone that has this right here that we talked about, CHF,
Yeah.
and they got that blood backing up, they'll spit out like a frothy, and this should be in your book, frothy pink sputum.
That's CHF, right?
Doesn't it have like a weird smell too?
No, I don't remember it smelling when I had a patient like that. I do remember it looking delicious though. Like to me, it looked like a pink muffin.
Like a what?
It looked delicious. It was like a delicious pink color. Yeah. So that's your patient. It's not blood. It's gonna be frothy pink sputum. If they have blood, that means they have an upper GI bleed, or they got hit in the mouth for talking too much. Asthma, we talked about what asthma is. It's an irritation of the bronchial spasming. And then this patient is going to need an inhaler. I don't know if it's up here. It's not. But if you want to get your verbiage, go ahead. And again, the biggest issue is with them pushing that air out. That's when they get that wheezing. That's when it hurts.